real estate. I don't know which is more lucrative, health or heaven. At the end of the day, I can say that we are giving PAREP through the initiative of PAREP. We have now, I think tomorrow I'm going to attend a signing ceremony of PAREP and TESDA. Anong gagawin nila? They're drafting, or they have drafted already, a curriculum for salespersons on a 2-year salesperson course, NC2. Pero the certification. National Certification 2, and that, I said, would add one more flavor. Anong flavor na yun? It can be ladderized. When you say ladderized, after completing the 2-year course, you can go to college. Another 2 years, BSREM, graduate ka. Di ba? Okay yun? Now, what about those non-BSREM graduates? And who would like to take the examination? The requirement is already BSREM. What about it? I have been consulting with the Commission on Higher Education. I've been checking with the Operations and Programs Division in my capacity as chairman of the technical panel for business and management education, which covers real estate management, to allow second-degree courses. Kayo yun. Kasi may president may president. Ano yun? Merong LIACOM. Isn't it? Meron nga ngayon MBA Law. Right? Sama-sama. So I'm trying to say that if you're a second courser and you want to go back to school, BSREM, and acquire another degree, you don't have to take 4-year course.
Yeah.
All you need is a complete, full 1 year and 1 summer. Ano yun? Tanggal lahat ang general education subjects and all other subjects that you have taken in your first course. So, what are you going to take? Only professional subjects. And also review. Parang CPA. Remember CPA? Certified Public Accountants, those of you who are CPA before, during my time. If you want to take the CPA exam, di ba Maya, CPA ka? BSBA course. Bachelor of Science in Commerce. So it will happen in the future that it will only be BS in Real Estate Management. Those who are going to take the examination and second courser will be allowed to pursue a shorter period, a shorter duration of time to be able to complete the BS Real Estate Management. There's a very good respite, a very good formula for those non-BSREM. And I understand that it will also add to the growing numbers of those who would want to take the BS, the licensure exam for real estate professions. It's only in our profession that we have 3 categories: brokers, appraisers, consultants. Sabi nga ni yung isang top manager, president natin, attorney, sabi nga niya, I will not rest on my laurel because I still have a battlefield to do, and that is consultancy. Very consultancy, 10 years in practice as broker and 5 years as appraiser. Pinag-aralan niyo ba yun? Okay. So, kaysa natutuwa naman ako. I'm so happy to those passers that they did not complain about the examination. It meant to say, I can surmise that the examination to you was chicken feed. Was very easy. Di ba? So I'm thinking of making it more a little harder. Next time. Anyway, as we